Hi everyone, my name is Delaney Field. I go by Delaney D, or even my last name Field. That's Delaney Delaney. A lot of people spell it wrong. That's okay. Currently, I am a sophomore in Barrett the Honors College studying biological sciences with a focus on biomedical sciences, and I am also working towards a certificate in cross-sector leadership, which essentially is leadership that is character-driven, focusing on the three different sectors: private, public, and nonprofit sectors. My current location, I am actually in Tempe, Arizona right now. I just came back from home over holiday break. Home is Michigan, approximately. This is the mitten of Michigan. I'm from right here. It's a little city called Howell. So it's definitely a little interesting with the temperature change from home to here. Something about myself that I want you to know that may help you remember me is I actually grew up in a log cabin my whole life. So I have been kind of surrounded by like the idea of plants just because I'm living in a house made of wood and trees. So definitely interesting. And with that, I would say my favorite plant is any type of tree, just because I kind of grew up around that. But also on my property back home, we have a lot of pine trees. So we actually just planted some last year, and it's kind of interesting to see all the old pines like so tall, and now these little ones like up to my like knee. So I'm definitely interested in seeing how those grow over the years. Also with that, we always kind of go cut down pine trees whenever the holidays come around, because that's how we get our Christmas tree. So it's kind of just something that symbolizes home for me in a way, as a pine tree, and just something I love being surrounded by. So, why I'm taking this class. I'm actually taking this class because I was potentially interested in changing my major to focus on biology and society, and this was a class that kind of correlated to seeing if I wanted to do that because of plants and civilization, seeing how we use biology in our everyday lives and kind of are surrounded by it, but another aspect of it. I also am interested, just from seeing the introduction to this course, making those connections to see what things we are surrounded by that plants have kind of been able to be incorporated into our everyday lives that we may have overlooked in a way. So I definitely think it's going to be an interesting class, and the ability to see those different types of connections will definitely be interesting, so that we don't take for granted that connection. Thank you all. Have a great day.